Dana, how are you?
Earl, I'm great.
Good.
How are you?
Well, you know me. I've never had a bad day in my life. I've had some bad moments, but I've never had any bad days. As a matter of fact, this is probably one of the greatest moments in my life because we have been collaborating and partnering and talking about a major project for almost 2 years, right? We've been setting the dial and we've been getting ourselves ready to launch something amazing. And now we get a chance to talk about what we're doing.
Yes.
And what's amazing about that is we as a company, we remove fear, add knowledge, and invite more Black folks to camp and enjoy the outdoor lifestyle with any and everyone. And that sounds like the mission that Leave No Trace also supports.
That's right. And you know, part of it is we know barriers exist.
Absolutely.
And that's undeniable. But we also know that there are ways to remove those by working together.
Right on.
And that's a huge part of our partnership and why it's so important that we're working together.
Right on. You know, our company, we're all about solutions. We know the issues on why Black folks, particularly people of color, have not been in the outdoors. We understand those reasonings. We focus our time more so on the solutions. We know the issues. And I believe that our partnership, we focus on solutions. And our partnership is, again, we're going to educate folks. We believe that education is the key. We believe that educating folks about the outdoor industry, about the lifestyle, and also educating folks, particularly Black folks, about how we actually take care of the lands to make sure that we have these lands for everyone.
And of course, that's where Leave No Trace comes in. Leave No Trace is founded in education. That's what our principles are all about. And to marry that with bringing more people into the outdoors, introducing them to these amazing landscapes with Leave No Trace hand in hand, it makes perfect sense.
Our project, Campus Scholarship, is going to do just that.
Yeah.
We have an opportunity to educate more Black students about the outdoor industry and lifestyle, HBCU students who wouldn't normally be in this particular space to drive the business in that particular industry, that lifestyle, and we want to do that. I'm really excited about that.
You know, part of what we're doing is building a future workforce.
Right.
To get more people of color into these positions, get them outside in general, but then working in this industry, which is so important. And we talked a lot about it, and we're making little progress,
Right.
but this is a game changer.
Well, so here's the thing. So we hear this all the time from industry folks. I used to be in the industry. We need more Black folks, more people of color in the industry. We need more people of color, Black folks, to really understand how amazing the industry is, and we need to get out there. And we believe the solution of creating this amazing scholarship to encourage more Black folks to get involved, to get excited, and so that 10 years down the line, we won't have this issue. Hopefully 5 years down the line, we won't have this issue.
Yeah.
Hopefully a year from now, we won't have this issue, but we're going to work at it.
Right.
And so I'm excited about it.
Yeah. And it has to start somewhere. We know it doesn't happen overnight, and sometimes change can be slow, but this is the starting point of
Right.
something that's very different.
Listen, there are a lot of folks out there who've done an amazing job to really encourage this type of mission and movement. And I always want to pay homage to those folks who've done amazingly out there well before Black Folks Camp 2 was started in 2019. However, again, our job is to find solutions, and I think we found an amazing solution. Listen, the Campus Scholarship Program that is supported by this amazing effort of the Unity Blaze patch here is something that is dear to our heart, and it's something that not only just the industry can get involved, but lifestylers can get involved with as well.
So let's talk about the Unity Blaze,
Right on.
because that's going to be kind of the launching point for this joint effort and the
Absolutely.
scholarships that we're talking about and this bigger education effort. So
Right.
Let's go there.
So Unity Blaze is an amazing symbol. It's the campfire within our logo, and it means treat everyone, everywhere equally. If you're wondering who everyone is, look in the mirror, right? Everyone. Treat everyone, everywhere equally. We feel like that this symbol, by you rocking this symbol, by folks having this symbol on their backpack, on their clothing, on their shirts, on their cars, it tells the world that they treat everyone everywhere equal. This is a DEI in itself.
Right.
When we can get folks on the same page wanting to do greater good for everyone, everywhere.
And the beauty of this Noso Patch is that it is all about leave no trace. It is a sustainable piece that helps you patch up your gear if needed, or just simply wear it with pride because of what it symbolizes and the difference that it's going to make in this effort.
We have an opportunity to educate folks with the proceeds from this particular patch. We have the opportunity to encourage folks with this particular patch, and we have the opportunity to empower folks to get outdoors and to get around this particular symbol of unity. This is unity. And so for me, why it's so important, because our job is not only to educate folks, our job is to gather folks together so we can talk about our sames and possibly talk about our differences as well.
Well, and that's the beauty of the blaze itself. And that symbolism of being outside, and we're speaking the same language, and that language is nature, and it brings people together naturally, and this is what it's really all about.
The Unity Blaze project, again, is so dear to me because we've been working on this for a while, and we believe that the Unity Blaze is going to bring us together. We believe the Unity Blaze is a symbol of unity in the outdoors, and we believe that when folks truly understand how important it is for all of us to enjoy, particularly 640 million acres of public land that we all pay for, we're going to find that we have more sames than we have differences. And when we find that out, and when we have that type of commonality, we're going to love on the outdoors, and the outdoors are going to love on us.
Right. We know more people are getting outside today, and that's a good thing. But to bring that message of, yeah, we want more people out, more people of color, new people into the outdoors, alongside Leave No Trace, and how to care for, respect these places.
Absolutely.
It's really critical to our society, our world today.
Right on. Listen, get outdoors, take care of the outdoors, rock your Unity Blaze patch, show the world that you treat everyone, everywhere equally, and we're going to shift this amazing narrative. We're going to get everyone in the outdoors.
Join our movement. This is a really important partnership, and you can make a difference.
We are going to change the world.
LNT.org/unity.